Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Yudhiṣṭhira, who was born without any enemy, was unfairly defeated in gambling. But because he had taken the vow of truthfulness, he went off to the forest. When he came back in due course and begged the return of his rightful share of the kingdom, he was refused by Dhritarashtra, who was overwhelmed by illusion. Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhira was the rightful heir to his father's kingdom. But just to favour his own sons, headed by Duryodhan, Dhritarashtra, Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhira's uncle, adopted various unfair means to cheat his nephews of their rightful share of the kingdom. At last the Pandavas demanded only 5 villages, one for each of the 5 brothers, but that was also refused by the usurpers. This incident led to the war of Kurukshetra. The battle of Kurukshetra, therefore, was induced by the Kurus and not the Pandavas. As Kshatriyas, the proper livelihood of the Pandavas was only to rule, and not to accept any other occupation. A Brahmin, Kshatriya or Vaishya will not accept employment for his livelihood under any circumstances.